What's up, my Capri Suns? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little DIY. I'm going to be showing you how I turned these dollar tank tops into some bomb two-piece sets. It's super easy, super affordable, so let's go ahead and get into it. To get started, all you need is your tank tops, some scissors, and a fabric pen. You can also use chalk if you want to. So right here, all I'm doing is kind of just making sure that the tank top is straight. There are no wrinkles or anything like that. So I'm going to be taking my fabric pen, and guys, I just found this fabric pen. It was only like $1 at my local store here. You can probably find one at the dollar store. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of draw on the tank top where I want to cut at. It also depends on how short you want everything. So I kind of just measured in my head where I wanted to cut the tank top. This next step is pretty simple. All you want to do is take your scissor and where you mark that and cut straight across. It does not have to be perfect. And just like that, you have you a cute two-piece set. Y'all, this costs $1. Like, look at this. This looks good. Like, go to your local thrift stores and try this yourself. Like, it looks so good. Like, you can't even tell. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the pink set. So you want to do the same exact thing for the pink set. The only difference is the way I'm going to do the top. So I'm making my mark, as you can see, and now I'm just going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut directly straight across again. As you can see here, I am cutting another strip of fabric off the tank top. I'm going to show you guys further in the video why I did this. I'm just taking my phone to kind of put some weight on the tank top because it's kind of moving, and I want to make sure I cut in a straight line and that this is not crooked. Okay, this is how the pink set turns out. I'm just showing you how I tie my top. I'm taking that extra piece of fabric and I'm just tying it in a knot. I double tied mine, and that is it, guys. It's simple, so simple. And there it is. You do not need to be a professional fashion designer to do this, guys. Go to your local thrift stores and pick up some dollar tank tops. Summer is coming. I even paired mine with a jean jacket. You could throw on some heels, some sneakers, and that's it. So if you guys like this video, make sure you leave me some positive comments down below. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And also, follow me on Instagram at LaShonda Capri. I will leave it down below in the description. And guys, like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video.